Listen, a busy life calls for a good protein shake, and I cannot wait to tell you about this one. This is LadyBoss LEAN protein shake. What I love about it is it tastes good. I don't know about you all, but that is a requirement for me. I'm about to mix up my favorite recipe. It is Almond Joy. What I love about it is it literally tastes like a candy bar, and it's so easy to make. I like to use it as a meal replacement, so let's get into it. All you need is 8 ounces of unsweetened almond milk, 1 packet of the protein shake mix. It's good even without the things I'm gonna add to it. This flavor is vanilla cake. 1 teaspoon of cocoa powder, just a ½ teaspoon of coconut extract, a handful of ice, mix it up and you're good. There we go. I pour it into my favorite glass. Oh my gosh, it's so good. It literally tastes like a candy bar. This is so good. I cannot wait to wash it down. One funny thing, I made one for my husband and he said, why they gotta be for ladies? That's how good it is, guys. Be sure to click the link so that you can get your free sample as well.